guys, I'm getting the Bebop 2 set up, and there is one thing I'm going to be trying here pretty soon. I'm going to be turning the noise reduction off on the camera so I can get a lot sharper images. Everybody always complains about the blur from the Bebop 2, and honestly, I saw Anthony Vlogs did the video a while ago, but there's a whole forum write-up about turning off the noise reduction, and so I've decided we're going to go ahead and do that. I'll go ahead and do this flight today to show you what kind of blurry is, even though we're going to be out here and doing regular stuff. I'm going to show you the difference between a blurry camera and noise reduction turned off with a 40 megabits per second video feed. So we're out here on the water. It's kind of a dark environment. I haven't flown over here in about a year. I figured the heck with it. We'll have some fun. We'll get her going. I'm going to get the app ready and I'll see you guys in a second. So remember, this is with standard Bebop settings. No alterations to the software or firmware. So we're going to do a soft mod on it after this, and it's kind of complicated. I'll go over the entire process with you guys if anybody wants to do this, but I think you'll be quite surprised by the results. The clarity in the camera should come together 100 times better than it ever has, and get rid of that blurriness. So let's do it, man. I'm going to strap you in and I'll see you guys in a sec. Enjoy the flight.